Hello. So, today we are going to look at the dye reduction tests for milk samples. The first test that we are going to look at is methylene blue reduction test, and the second test that we are going to look is the Rizazurin dye reduction tests. So, for that I have taken 6 test tubes, 3 for MBRT, that is methylene blue reduction tests, and 3 for Rizazurin dye reduction tests. So in these tubes I am going to add 5 ml of milk. So now we are going to look as to how to perform MBRT test. So in these 3 test tubes I have taken milk, which is 5 ml, and I have labeled these test tubes as positive, negative and test. So in positive controls I have added certain microorganisms so that when they reduce the methylene blue dye we will be able to know as to what color it is. In case of negative control I have heated the milk, boiled it properly so that all the microorganisms present would be killed. And finally I have test where I am supposed to check the quality of the milk. So the next step is very simple. We are supposed to add 1 ml of dye in each of the tubes. So here I am adding methylene blue to the first test tube, and we have to mix it properly so that the color is evenly distributed. Now here we can see that the color has now changed to blue. Similarly, the dye has to be added in all the 3 test tubes and mixed properly. The concentration of the dye that is being used is 0.01%. If we use more, then the time required for the reduction of the dye increases. Therefore, we are supposed to use only 0.01% of methylene blue. So here you can see that the dye has been mixed properly and the test tube has now become blue in color. Now we are going to incubate these 3 test tubes for 30 minutes and look at the results after 30 minutes. Let us look at the results of MBRT test. We had incubated these 3 test tubes, the positive control, the negative control and the test, in incubator at 37 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. So what we have seen is, in case of negative control there is no color change and the methylene blue is still blue. In case of positive control, where we had externally added organisms, the color had changed to white, and the sample that we were testing has also turned white. This is because methylene blue is a redox indicator which undergoes decolorization when oxygen is present in the milk, gets exhausted due to the presence of microorganisms. Since there are no microorganisms in the negative control which we had already boiled, therefore there is still a lot of oxygen and the color therefore has not changed. But the bacterial metabolism in both these test tubes, which is my test and negative control, decreased the presence of oxygen in the milk due to formation of reducing substances, and therefore it decolorized the methylene blue. So looking at the results of this test, we can say that the milk should not be used for consumption as it contains a lot of microorganisms. Now we are going to look at the Rizazurin dye reduction test. In these 3 test tubes, I have added 5 ml of milk and I have marked them as positive control, negative control and test. In case of positive control, I have added 1 ml of the microorganisms so that we can see what color does it change. In case of negative control, I have boiled the milk such that all the microorganisms present will die. And finally, in case of test, I have not done anything to the milk. Now we are going to add 1 ml of the dye to each test tube. And mix it properly. The concentration of dye that I have taken is 0.01% so that the dye reduction will get over in stipulated period of time. We are supposed to mix it like this. Now we can see the color of the milk has changed to lilac or bluish. Now we are supposed to keep it for incubation at around 35 degrees Celsius, and now we will check the results after 30 minutes. So now 30 minutes are over of incubation. We had incubated it at 37 degrees Celsius, and here we can see the positive control tube which has turned almost purple. This is my test tube. This is the test sample and it has turned lilac. And this is my negative control which was boiled and cooled where there were no microorganisms and it had remained blue in color. So if we compare all the 3 tubes here, we will be able to see the color difference like this, where this tube is my positive control, this is my negative control, and the third one is the test. So what has happened here is this. Since there are microorganisms in the milk, they will utilize the oxygen which leads to the reduction of the dye. This reduction takes place in 2 stages. In the first stage, dye is irreversibly reduced to resoreuffin, undergoing a series of color changes from blue to lilac, purple and pink. So here this is my blue color, this is my purple color and this is my lilac color. So if we compare the tubes with negative control, both the tubes, that is my positive control tube and my test tube, has changed the color. In the second stage, resoreuffin is reduced to a colorless compound, dihydroresoreuffin, and this can be compared with a standard resazurin disc, or as we can see we have a negative control. With that we can compare. Now after 30 minutes of incubation, the color has changed to lilac. Here we can see that, which means that my milk sample contains lot of microorganisms and this should not be used or consumed. So that is the final conclusion of this experiment. As it can be seen that the negative control tube is still purplish or bluish in color, whereas the positive control tube and the test tube has both turned pink in color. This is because of the presence of microorganisms in both positive control tube and the test tube. So looking at this result, we can say that the milk that is used for this sampling is not of good quality and should not be consumed.